Hi Yogi, Dan here and welcome to another yoga class together. Today we're gonna do a yoga quickie, a 10 minutes morning yoga to start the day fresh, to wake up the body, to wake up your mind. For this class all you need is yourself and your yoga mat and a little bit of your time. Now, let's begin. Ooh, one more thing before we begin. First of all, if you are new to my channel and you're not subscribed already, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell, ding ding ding, so you won't miss a thing. Now, if you want to enjoy this class ads-free, interruptions-free, then head over to my digital studio, Ashram at ashramapp.com, where you can find this class and over 200 classes of yoga, meditation, and fitness classes to do every single day to invest in your body, in your mind, in your health, in yourself, because this is the best investment you will ever make. By feeling good in your body and in your mind, having a healthy body and healthy mind, your day to day will feel so much better, will be so much better, more productive, more happy, more peace of mind, less stressed, and it's gonna affect your life and your loved ones as well. So, more classes, fitness, yoga, meditations can be found inside my digital studio, Ashram at ashramapp.com. There is a link to the Ashram app in here or in the description of this video. Now, let's jump on the mat. We're gonna start today's session, this quickie, seated on our mat, legs crossed or on your knees or on a big pillow. Find a comfortable sitting position where you can sit with your back erect. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes for a moment and connect with your breath. Take a deep inhalation in through the nose and out through the nose as well. Release all the worries, all the to-do list of the day. Everything can wait for a few minutes off the mat. And connect to your breath, to your body, to yourself. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Take a deep inhalation. And slowly blink your eye open. And place your hands on the top of the mat. Your knees on the mat as well. Untuck your toes into all four position. Spread your palms wide. Shoulders above the wrist, hips above the knees. And look forward, stretch the belly into cow stretch. Stretch the front side of the body, take a deep inhalation. And exhale, tuck the tailbone under, press the ground away, look inside towards the belly button, into cat stretch. Breathe in, look forward, stretch the front side of the body, send the tailbone up and back. Exhale, arch the back, look inside, tuck the tailbone for a good back stretch. One more time, breathe in, stretch the front of the body, look forward and up. Exhale, cat stretch, look inside, press the ground away. Breathing, come into neutral position, tuck the toes under, send the butt towards the heels, the palms forward, spread them wide apart. And from here, press the feet to the ground, send the hips up and away into the air, into downward dog position. Keep your knees bent, heels off the mat, belly in, head is loose, feet parallel, hip distance apart. And make sure the entire palm is pressing against the ground. And from here you can start to paddle the heels down to the ground, one by one. Releasing the tightness in the legs. Remember your breath, deep and long. Two more breaths in here. Now try to bring both heels down to the ground. Find stillness in the pose. Press the ground away. Head is loose. And slowly lower both knees down to the ground. Sit on top of your heels. Tuck the toes under. Stretch the sole of the feet. Roll the shoulders backwards. Roll them forward. Excellent. Breathe in. Send the arms up overhead. Grab the left wrist. Stretch to the right. Look up. Into the center. Grab the right. Stretch to the left. Look up. Breathing, come to the center. Interlace your fingers together, and from here press the palms forward, arch the back, look inside. Breathe in, send the palms up into the air. Puff the chest. Slowly release the arms, bring them behind your back. Interlace the fingers, roll the shoulder backwards, straighten the arms, open your chest. Lift your gaze a little bit up. And slowly release. Place your palms back down on the ground. Tap your toes after this stretch. Now tuck your toes under again. Send the hips back, palms forward and down. And now take a deep inhalation. On the exhalation, send the butt up and back into downward dog position once again. Try to reach with the heels down to the ground. Take a deep inhalation, send the leg up and back into the air. Open the hip. And from here, bring the knee to the chest. Place your foot in between your hands, lower the knee down, and lift yourself up into low lunge position. Let your hips melt down to the ground, shoulders down and back. Feel the stretch in the hip area. If you feel comfortable in here, you can send the arms up into the air. Stretch the side body, fingertips up to the sky. Breathe in here. Exhale, lower your palms down. Lift the knees, send the leg back into downward dog position once again. Breathe in, send this time the left leg up and back into three-legged dog. Send it up, up, up into the air. And slowly open the hip towards the right side. Press the ground away. Reach with the heel root, with the heel down to the ground. And then slowly bring knee to chest. And place your foot in between your hands. Lower the knee down and rise up. Into low lunge on the other side. If you feel comfortable in this position, you can lift the arms up, up, up into the air. Fingertips reaching up to the sky. Lift the chin a little bit. Hold it in here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, palms down. Lift the knees, send the leg back into downward dog position. Excellent. Slowly lower the knees down as wide as the mat, toes together. Place the hips on top of the heels And lower the forehead down to the ground into child pose position. Send the palms forward. Your arms straighten. Press the ground away. You should feel a good stretch in the hips, maybe in the lower back. And slowly lift yourself up into a seated position and switch into a crossed leg sitting. Come up into a seated position, sit with your legs crossed. Sit up tall, breathe in, send the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist to the left. One hand behind the back, another one against the knee. Belly in. Releasing the spine, waking up the digestive system. Breathe in, arms up to the center, and exhale, twist to the right. Remember your breath. Breathe in, lift the arms up to the center. And exhale, bring the palms together in front of your heart. Close your eyes for a moment. And reconnect to your breath, to your body, to yourself. Before you start your day, take a moment to feel grateful you have this amazing body, strong and healthy, that allows you to move, to run, to dance, and to enjoy your day to day. And take a moment to feel grateful for all the little things we take for granted. For having a roof above your head, running water, electricity, food, supermarkets, cars, trains, buses, roads. Feel grateful you are healthy and alive today. Take a deep inhalation, fill your lungs all the way to the top. Open your eyes. Exhale and smile. Release. Good morning. Wow, feel so much more awake and ready for the day, and I hope you feel the same. Today we did a 10 minutes quickie to wake up the body, the mind, and start the day fresh. Now, if you enjoyed this class, remember to give this video a thumbs up. And I want to let you know that if you enjoy this class, interruptions free, ads free, head over to my ashram at ashrammap.com. This is my digital studio where you can find this class and over 200 classes of yoga, meditation, and fitness classes for you to do every single day to invest in your body, in your mind, so you can enjoy a better quality of life every single day, because when you feel better, your life will be better and your loved one's life will be better as well. So head over to my digital studio Ashram at ashrammap.com. There is a link up in here or below this video. Go check it out. I will see you here on another class, and until then, always remember to do yoga. It just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.